Welcome to PA Home. Founded in 2009, PA Home has grown into a global brand serving over 80 countries and 250 plus cities, with more than 42,000 premium home projects completed, 400 plus global brand stores, and 3,500 long-term B2B clients. We are redefining excellence in home living worldwide. Our Zhaoqing manufacturing base spans 80,000 SKM, equipped with 10 Industry 4.0 fully automated production lines, producing over 200,000 units annually. Our Indonesian factory covers 15,000 SQM, with a 350 SQM Jakarta showroom where customers can explore full system home customization backed by cost-effective production. Our Riyadh factory in Saudi Arabia covers 10,000 SQM, with a 700 SQM marketing center, providing high-quality custom solutions for the Middle East. In Dubai, the 1,000 SQM showroom is staffed with local design and service teams, offering a seamless experience from showroom visit to local production and installation. PA Home's core strength lies in a self-developed IDPI system, intelligent design and production integration, linking design, production, and quality control for full process automation. Powered by this system, we have reduced the error rate from 5% to an impressive 0.1%. PA Home offers full system customization, covering cabinets, aluminum doors and windows, door, walls, and complete bathroom solutions. From planning and design to installation and maintenance, we provide full-cycle services to create personalized, intelligent, and systematic living experiences. Local teams in key markets provide measurement, design, installation, and after-sales services. Wherever our clients are, they can enjoy fast, attentive, and worry-free service. Chinese PA, World PA. Where there's home, there's PA.